Assalamu alaikum class, this is Warda here again with another letter, another activity. So let's start the lesson with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And as always, we are going to do first of all the poem. It is Qasim has gone to the lake to feed the quails. The sound of the quails are quack, quack, quack. And then again, Qasim has gone to the lake to feed the quails, and their sound is quack, quack, quack. So here we have done the sound of quack with the poem, and further on we have also some objects that begins with the sound of quack. On the screen you can see the girl is pointing and asking to be quiet. And the sound of the duck is like the sound of cat is meow. Similarly, the sound of duck is quack. And this is a bird that has the name of quill, and it has a melodious voice. So, quiet, quack, quill. Okay, now ahead I am going to read a story in front of you that has the sound frequently of ko. It is the library hall was huge and so many people were sitting there. It was very silent and everyone was quiet and reading their books and newspaper. Qasim was also standing in a queue to get inside the library. मतलब वो एक लाइन में खड़ा हुआ था लाइब्रेरी में जाने के लिए. Okay. Now he was a science student and wanted a book for making robots. Luckily, after some searching, he was able to find a book about making the DIY robots. He took the book, got it issued, and rushed home to get his grandfather. Qasim's grandfather was a scientist too, so Qasim wanted a help from his grandfather. His grandfather was in his bedroom, lying on the bed with his favorite quilt on, and he had a fever. When Qasim entered the room, he asked so many questions from his grandfather about robots. His grandfather gave him a toolbox and some old electronic devices. His grandfather explained, even gave him an advice that, my dear grandson Qasim, always remember that never quit. Life will go hard and mean to you, but promise me that you will never give up and always keep trying. Qasim felt really proud of his grandfather's advice, and he opened the toolbox to make a robot of his own. Now the story is about the Qasim of making the robot, and here he is taking the help from the grandfather. उनके grandfather एक scientist हैं and he also has advised. Moving on, a few more objects on the screen. So first of all, she is a एक होता है king और king की होती है queen. इसको हम कहते हैं quill. And here we have a quilt जो कि कासिम के grandfather ने भी लिया हुआ था. So it's a quilt, it's a quill and queen. Again, queen, quill and quilt. So we are done with the few objects that we have here with the sound of k. Moving on, we have the letter जिसका हमने sound आज पढ़ा. तो ये है letter Q. Now let me write it here. So the letter is Q. You just need to make a circle and go down. Now on the workbook you can practice this with the help of the pencil. It's a pencil tracing. So first of all, don't go down, just make a circle, go up and then go down. Make a circle, go up and go down. And along with the writing, you also need to practice the sound of the Q. So we are done with the written work, we are done with the objects. Now moving towards the activity, we have an activity on the screen that is first of all of a quail and the other one is of queen. So here I have made a queen from the letter Q. It's the simplest thing. Just trace the letter Q, color it with your favorite color और उसका हमने एक प्यारा सा crown बना दिया ताकि वो queen लगे. So you can also make other things as well. You can do this activity of quail as well. I have done this one. Along with this, the same thing, that search the things, the objects in your surrounding with the sound of Q. It will be really helpful in learning the sound. So that was all for today. Thank you so much. We have learned the sound of Q. Don't forget to practice this sound at home. Allah Hafiz.